This na pidgin news man about town reporting. The Borno State Governor wey be Babagana Zulum don provoke say since May 2011 say Boko Haram don brutalize over 37,500 people and more than 2.5 internal displaced persons dem. The governor come dey yarn say make am make dem use new style to fight this Boko Haram dem, so life dem go stop to dey waste o. He come provoke to give the command, control and structure of Nigerian army. Say dem no get any reason wey say dem no fit secure Baga town o. Say because they get over 1,900 soldiers wey dey for inside Baga town. Say if the soldiers dem no fit secure Baga town, say himself go even employ hunters there to do the work. ICC for Nigeria wey they call ISWAP don use cutlass take cut off 20 people their head. According to how we take hear the story, the people dem say they brutalize. One of them na Mr. Bam Musa, Islamic teacher wey say they preach for inside Tumbus. Two other soldiers wey say they not call their name. And one other man wey say name na John, wey be Igbo man wey say they can't say because say they peep them. This thing happen on Friday 31st July 2020 around 10:30 a.m. for inside Tundu Wungo, where they close to Sabon Tumbo near Lake Chad area. Abdul Wahab Musa will be one of the Boko Haram boys where they yarn say they don't change as Boko Haram fighters them. No say no expect federal government go care for them like this. So according to Waiting Punch, Musa will be saying come from Bama for inside Borno State. Saying don't keep plenty people well low, and enough you remember the number of people that will be saying don't move by. The 38-year-old Abu Wahab Musa will come from Bama for inside Borno State. Talk say Boko Haram force them to join them. Him na one of the 601 Boko Haram boys wey federal government don't support to make they go back to their village to go live better life. He can continue come the yarn say they run come out for Boko Haram camp when Nigerian army come see them come carry them go inside Giwa Barracks for Borno State. Some people don't they provoke the parayan about the 601 Boko Haram members the way they yarn say they don't change wey federal government don't help to go back to their village. These people they come they provoke, they give federal government, say they don't like what the federal government do. Because person will say brutalize another person will be murder, supposed to stay for jail for life. But instead, federal government they pamper people will say they don't kill, they don't kidnap, they don't rape children. And now Mr. Honor Ehomon will be the chairman of Trans World Security System Limited. Now he yarn this talk. Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service Agency don yarn say so many people don't wound job because of the gas explosion wey happen for inside Ajao Estate. And this thing happen around that kind 6:58 p.m. Under 24 hours wey be say another gas leakage happen for inside Pangrove Estate. Ground no level and everywhere they shake for inside Mararaba for Nasarawa State as Ekoloba DSS brutalize one security guard for inside Ebenezer Primary School just because say that they argue. Chidima Njoko wey be 27 years old and a co-worker wey be Chima Nnai be 29 years old. Two of them where they work for Commercial Department, Haji and Cargo Terminal for inside Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria don't brutalize last week Saturday, July 26, 2020 when truck wey carry plate number of SGM 715XA wey carry the load of 2050 container wey fall on top the motor wey be say they dey inside. One 80-year-old farmer wey be Ugbo Oka don break the record wey people dey yarn say if man don old, he no go fit knack well again. Mr. Oka wey be say him wife na 27 years old don born twins and their name na Hassana and Husseina wey they join together before doctors they come separate them for inside Federal Medical Center Kefi Nasarawa State. He yarn for inside interview say he no dey take tramadol, he no dey take any manpower before he go knack him wife. Say because he believe say the power to knack pickles say na God na him dey give am. The Lagos State government don close isolation centers for Etiosa and Agidigbi, and na Governor Jide Sanwo-Olu na him yarn this one. He come follow yarn say church and mosque they go open again from 7th of August 2020. The Bollywood superstar will be Amitabh Bachchan yarn on Sunday say they don't discharge him from hospital after we admit him saying get coronavirus and he test positive of the disease. This na pidgin news man about her and me MC Nehi na in the yarn, so make una get better day.